Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. When to replace your transfer case fluid, signs and benefits. Ever wondered why your vehicle's transfer case needs its special fluid? Just like your engine and transmission, the transfer case is crucial for your vehicle's performance, particularly in four-wheel drive, 4WD, and all-wheel drive, AWD, systems. It's tasked with transferring power from the engine to the axles and needs to be well lubricated to function smoothly and efficiently. That's where transfer case fluid comes in. It not only lubricates the moving parts to reduce friction but also helps cool them down, preventing overheating and damage. Ignoring transfer case fluid replacement can lead to noisy operations, increased wear, and ultimately, failure of the transfer case itself. Keeping up with fluid changes is key to ensuring your ride remains smooth and your vehicle stays on the road longer. Ready to dive into why, when, and how to replace your transfer case fluid? Let's get started. Signs that transfer case fluid needs replacement. Transfer case fluid plays a vital role in ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle's transfer case. Recognizing the signs that indicate a need for transfer case fluid replacement can help prevent costly damage down the road. Unusual grinding noises or vibrations. If you start hearing unusual grinding noises or feel vibrations while driving, it could be a sign that your transfer case fluid is low or degraded. The lubricating properties of the fluid help reduce friction between moving parts inside the transfer case. When the fluid is inadequate, it can lead to increased friction, resulting in these unsettling sounds and vibrations. Ignoring these signs can lead to further damage to the transfer case components. Difficulty shifting gears. Old or insufficient transfer case fluid can also manifest in difficulties when shifting gears. The transfer case relies on the fluid to facilitate smooth gear changes. When the fluid is worn out or low, shifting gears can become challenging and may feel rough or inconsistent. Addressing this issue promptly by replacing the fluid can help restore smooth gear transitions and prevent further transmission problems. Visible fluid leaks. One of the most obvious signs that your transfer case fluid needs replacement is the presence of visible fluid leaks underneath your vehicle. Leaks can indicate a damaged transfer case or low fluid levels, both of which can have detrimental effects on your vehicle's drivetrain. It's essential to inspect any fluid leaks promptly and address them to prevent potential transmission issues in the future. Keeping an eye out for these signs can help you identify when it's time to replace your transfer case fluid, ensuring the continued optimal performance of your vehicle's drivetrain. Regular maintenance and fluid checks are key to preserving the longevity of your transfer case and preventing costly repairs. Benefits of regular transfer case fluid replacement. Regular transfer case fluid replacement is a critical maintenance task that offers several advantages to your vehicle's overall performance and longevity. Enhanced performance and functionality. Fresh fluid in the transfer case plays a vital role in ensuring smooth operations and optimal functionality of this crucial component. When you replace the fluid at recommended intervals, you help maintain proper lubrication within the transfer case. This lubrication reduces friction among moving parts, allowing for seamless power transfer between the front and rear wheels. As a result, your vehicle experiences enhanced performance, smoother gear shifts, and improved fuel efficiency. Prevention of costly repairs. Timely replacement of transfer case fluid can prevent major issues that could potentially lead to expensive repairs down the road. Old, contaminated fluid loses its lubricating properties over time, causing increased wear and tear on internal components. By sticking to a regular fluid replacement schedule, you minimize the risk of damage to the transfer case gears, bearings, and shafts. This proactive approach not only safeguards your wallet from costly repairs but also ensures your vehicle's reliability on the road. Extended lifespan of transfer case components. One of the key benefits of regular transfer case fluid changes is the extension of the lifespan of crucial components within the transfer case system. Fresh fluid helps to remove dirt, debris, and metal particles that accumulate over time, preserving the integrity of gears and bearings. By maintaining clean and properly lubricated components, you reduce the chances of premature wear and mechanical failures. This proactive maintenance approach can significantly prolong the life of your transfer case and prevent the need for premature replacements. Regular transfer case fluid replacement goes a long way in enhancing performance, preventing costly repairs, and prolonging the lifespan of vital components within the transfer case system. By prioritizing this maintenance task, you not only ensure the reliability of your vehicle but also save yourself from potential headaches and expenses in the future. How often should transfer case fluid be replaced? Ensuring your vehicle's transfer case is well maintained is crucial for optimal performance. One essential aspect of transfer case maintenance is replacing the fluid at regular intervals. Let's assess the factors that influence how often transfer case fluid should be replaced. Manufacturer recommendations. Vehicle manufacturers typically provide guidelines on the frequency of transfer case fluid changes. While these recommendations can vary, a common suggestion is to replace the transfer case fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Consult your vehicle's manual or reach out to the manufacturer for precise guidance tailored to your car's make and model. Consideration of driving conditions. Harsh driving conditions, such as frequent off-road adventures, towing heavy loads, or extreme temperatures, can accelerate the degradation of transfer case fluid. In such scenarios, it is advisable to inspect the fluid quality more frequently and consider more frequent replacements. Regularly assessing the condition of the transfer case fluid is essential to ensure that it remains effective in lubricating and protecting the transfer case components. By adhering to manufacturer recommendations and considering your driving conditions, you can maintain the health of your transfer case and prolong the life of your vehicle. D versus professional fluid replacement. When it comes to replacing transfer case fluid, you have two main options: tackling the task yourself or enlisting the help of a professional. Each choice comes with its own set of advantages tailored to your individual preferences and circumstances. D. Fluid replacement. Embarking on a DIY transfer case fluid replacement venture can be a rewarding experience for those with a penchant for hands-on projects. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Gather your tools. Before diving in, make sure you have all the necessary tools at your disposal. You'll typically need a socket wrench, a drain pan, a funnel, a new gasket, and, most importantly, the correct type of transfer case fluid recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Precautions. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the transfer case is at the right temperature for optimal fluid drainage. Be cautious when working with hot fluids and ensure proper disposal to protect the environment. Drain the old fluid. Locate the transfer case and remove the fill plug first, followed by the drain plug to let the old fluid flow out completely. Clean the plugs and the surrounding area before proceeding. Refill with new fluid. Use a funnel to refill the transfer case with the recommended amount of new fluid. Make sure the level is correct by using the fill plug as a gauge. Once filled, securely tighten both plugs. By opting for a DIY approach, you not only save on service costs but also gain a sense of accomplishment and a deeper understanding of your vehicle's maintenance needs. Professional service. For those who prefer to leave the task to the experts, seeking professional assistance for transfer case fluid replacement offers several distinct advantages: expertise and efficiency. Certified technicians possess the knowledge and experience to efficiently handle the fluid replacement process, ensuring it is done correctly the first time. Access to specialized equipment. Professional service centers are equipped with specialized tools and equipment that may not be readily available to the average DIYer, leading to a quicker and more precise job. Warranty considerations. Having your transfer case fluid replaced by a professional service center may help uphold your vehicle's warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality workmanship. When deciding between a DIY or professional approach to transfer case fluid replacement, consider your comfort level with automotive maintenance tasks, time constraints, and the overall convenience of each option. Whether you choose to roll up your sleeves or seek professional aid, ensuring your transfer case is properly maintained is essential for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. In the world of vehicle maintenance, staying on top of essential tasks like transfer case fluid replacement can make a significant difference in your car's performance and longevity. By understanding the importance of this seemingly small maintenance step, you're taking proactive measures to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. Importance of regular maintenance. Regularly replacing the transfer case fluid helps to prevent wear and tear on your vehicle's components, ensuring that everything functions as it should. This simple yet critical task can save you from costly repairs down the line. Performance boost. Fresh transfer case fluid promotes smoother gear shifts and overall improved performance. It is like giving your vehicle a refreshing drink that revitalizes its systems and allows it to operate at its best. Longevity of your vehicle. By maintaining the transfer case fluid at the recommended intervals, you are investing in the longevity of your vehicle. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that your car will continue to serve you reliably for years to come. Transfer case fluid replacement is not just another routine maintenance task. It is a crucial part of keeping your vehicle running optimally. By staying on top of this simple yet impactful task, you are setting yourself up for a smoother driving experience and fewer unexpected hiccups on the road. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is a happy vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.